Okay, this is a phone. I'm coming to replace the LCD. The first thing you have to take out the SIM tray, put it one side. Okay, then you open the phone right hand. The phone is a clip. Okay, just open the clip right hand. Okay, remove the back cover, put it one side. Okay, now you need to take out all the screw back of the phone. So many screw. Remove the fingerprint, disconnect it, put it one side. Make sure you take out all the screw back of the phone. Okay. The LCD connector will connect down here close to the charging system, so you have to remove it down here also, all the screw. So you take out all the screw, don't leave any screw. I take out the screw, this cover, remove this cover, remove the one down here also. Okay, disconnect the battery from here, disconnect the LCD connector down here. Okay, then you try to remove this connector, just ace it up like this a bit so you can hit the phone. Okay, ace it up a bit like this. Okay, now you can put this machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes so you can able to open the LCD. If you have this machine at home, just force to open it because you don't need this LCD anymore. Okay. After you hit it, make it more easy for you to open it. If you have it at home, just force to open it, no need to scare. Remove the glass, just remove it like this. Take out the screen. Okay, then you clean all the alpha glue right on. Make sure you clean it very nice so the screen will fix very nice. Clean it right on the phone very nice. Okay. sorry for the voice, you cannot hear the other side. The mic was off. Okay, what I was saying, like before you fix the LCD, you put the glue. Make sure you test the LCD first. It's okay, everything is good before you put the glue and fix the LCD, because sometimes some of the new LCD is not good. Okay, you make sure you test it first, everything is okay, then you put the glue and you put the LCD. Okay, after you put all the screw, you place all the screw, then you just put this cover on top like this. Then see all the fingerprint, just put it very nice and fix it here, the connector, so your fingerprint work very nice. Okay, then you close the cover here, just close it right now, and it's clip. Okay, close it right now, very nice. Put back the SIM tray. Don't worry about the glue here. When the screen is dry, you just remove the plastic like this. You just clean the glue with your hand. You just use your finger, clean the glue right now. It's very easy to clean. Okay, you find rubber like this, you put it for 30 minutes. So the LCD will become dry before you take it out. If you don't have rubber, like you can still use later, you just tape it for 30 minutes so the LCD will rest properly. Okay, fix down here also. Don't worry about the glue, it's very easy. After your screen is dry, just clean it with your finger. Okay, on the phone to test the LCD. As you can see, the logo already showed. That means the LCD is good, everything is fine. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.